Welcome to this tutorial on how to connect PayPal to Gumroad. Gumroad is a platform that allows creators to sell digital products and connect with their audience. To start receiving payments, you need to connect a payment method to your Gumroad account. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to connect PayPal to Gumroad. First, log into your Gumroad account and navigate to the Settings page. Click on the Payment Methods tab and then click on Connect a Payment Method. You will see a list of available payment methods, including PayPal. Click on the PayPal option to start the connection process. You will be redirected to the PayPal website, where you will be prompted to log in to your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal email address and password to log in. Once you are logged in, you will be asked to authorize Gumroad to access your PayPal account. Click on the Authorize button to grant access. After authorizing Gumroad, you will be redirected back to the Gumroad website. Your PayPal account will now be connected to your Gumroad account. You can verify this by going back to the Payment Methods tab, where you should see PayPal listed as a connected payment method. To test the connection, create a new product or edit an existing one. Go to the Sell page and click on the Test Payment button. This will simulate a payment and ensure that the connection is working correctly. Best practices for connecting PayPal to Gumroad include ensuring that your PayPal account is verified and that you have a clear understanding of the fees associated with using PayPal. It is also important to keep your PayPal account information up to date to avoid any issues with payments. In conclusion, connecting PayPal to Gumroad is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following this guide, you can start receiving payments for your digital products and connect with your audience. Remember to test the connection and keep your PayPal account information up to date to ensure a smooth payment process.